Alright guys, now the next question, the 8th question, what they've said is a horse is tied to a peg at the corner of a square shaped field with the length of rope is 5 meters and the side of the square is, or the field is 15 meters, and they have asked you what area can the horse graze. When you're tied like this, if you tightly stretch the rope, if the horse is at the edge of, like, it has gone as far as possible, the area it can graze is in form of a quadrant, right? Because it's square, here it is 90 degree. So basically area of this quadrant is the area that the horse can graze in the field. So directly we do not even need this field, we know radius becomes 5 meters and angle becomes 90 degrees. So area of a quadrant is theta. A quadrant is nothing but a sector, so theta by 360 into pi r square. Actually guys, there is a direct way also to do it. Since one quadrant is 1/4, there are 4 quadrants, a circle is made up of 4 quadrants, so area of one quadrant will be pi r square by 4. You can do it directly like this as well, but it's better to use the formula and do it, because maybe some teachers may not accept you doing it this way. Alright, so theta is 90 degree by 360 into 22 by 7 into r square, that is 5 into 5. So 0 0 cancel, 9 ones are 4s are. See, you got 1 by 4. So 2 2s are 11s are. So 5 into 5, 25 into 11, that is 25. So 5 7. So you get 275 by 14 meter square. But they have given you the answer in decimals, so we'll divide 275 by 14. So 14 ones are 14, we get 13 here, 135. So 14 into 5 will be how much? 0 2 70. 14 into 10 is 140. So 14 into 9, 9 4s are 6, 3, 9 plus 3, 126. So 9s are 126. This becomes 15 and this becomes 2. So 15 minus 6 is 9. So 0.0, 90. So for 90 we might have to go to 14 into 7. Still will be more. So 14 into 6. So 6 4s are 24. 6 plus 2, 8. So I get 84, and again I get 90 minus 84 is 6. So 60, so 14 into 5 is 70, so 14 into 4, 4 4s are 16, 56, so 4s are 56, I get 40, so 14 2 3s are 42, so okay, I'll do it only up to 2 decimal points, so the answer is 19.64 meter square. Now they have asked you one more thing, if the rope was 10 meters instead of 5 meters, how much extra he would have grazed? So now the radius is 10 instead of 5, and what they have asked you is how much extra area to graze. So what they have asked you is this part, they have not asked you how much area. So how much is this part? Area of this minus area of this part will give you area of the band. So area of new rope, new length, minus area of old length. So this entire area minus this area will give you this. So area of new is again theta by 360, that is 90 by 360 into pi r square, that is 22 by 7 into r square, here it is 10 into 10, minus area of old we have found 19.64. Again 1 by 4, 2 2s are 11s are, 2 1s are 5s are. So 50 into 11, 550. So we get 550 by 7 minus 19.64. So 550 by 7 is 55. So 7 7s are 49. 7 1s are 7s are 49. So 60 remains. 60 would be 4s are 7 8s are 0.8. What is it? 78. So 60 56. So 4 remains 40, which would mean 5s are 35, 50 remains 7s are. So we get 78.57 minus 19.64. So 78.57 minus 19.64. 6, 4. So 7 minus 4, 3. This will become 7. This will become 15. 15 minus 6, 9. Now this will become 6. This will become 17. 17 minus 9 is 8. And 6 minus 1 is 5. So the answer is 58.93 meter square. Alright guys, now the next question, they have said a silver brooch is made using some silver thread a silver brooch is made using some silver material. The diameter of the brooch is 35 mm, alright, and it has 5 diameters in it. That is what they have said, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is the length of silver thread you will need to make this brooch? So what do we need? First thing we need to make is the ring, right? The outer ring. So total length needed equal to the outer ring. This we need to make. So that is the circumference 2 pi r plus 5 diameters. So 5 into d. So 5 diameters. That much also we need. So but d is nothing but 2 into r, right? So what do we get? 2 pi r plus 5 into 10 r. Actually, if I want to be cute, what I can do is I can take 2r common. What remains is pi plus 5. Alright. So I have simplified it as much as possible. Now diameter is 35. So radius is 35 by 2. So we get 2 into radius 35 by 2 into pi, that is 22 by 7 plus 5. Right. 2 and 2 cancels. We get 35 into by 1. So into 7 into 7, so 22 plus 35 by 7. Now what do we get? 35 into 22 plus 35, 7 and 57 by 7. 7 ones are 5s are. When we multiply, we get 285 mm. So the length of silver needed is 285 mm. Now they have asked you the area swept by one sector, which means one sector. Now since there are 5 diameters, it has been divided into 10 sectors. So what is the angle made by one sector? 360 by 10 or 36 degree. So this angle made by one sector, or this is 36. Each of the angles will be 36. So now we know theta and we know r anyways. So we can find the area of the sector, that is theta by 360 into pi r square. So theta we found is 36 by 360 into pi, that is 22 by 7 into r square, that is 35 by 2 into 35 by 2, right? 36 ones are 10s are, 7 ones are 5s are, 11s are 5s are. So what do we get? 11 into 5 into 35. So 11 into 5, 55, 55 into 35. So 5 5s are 2, 27, 3 5s are 15, 15, 16. So 5, 2, 1, 8, 9, 1, 1925. So we get 1925. Oh, actually I could have simplified it here as well. 5 ones are 7s are. Okay, fine, no problem. 5 into 2, 10, 10 into 2, 20. Now I'll simplify further. 5 4s are, 5 3s are, 42 is left, 8s are 40, 25, 385 by 4 mm square. If you want to convert it to decimals, it will be 4 1s are, 9s are 36, 2 remains 25, so 6 are 24, and 24 1 remains, so 0, so 2s are 8, so 2 remains 5. So 96.25 mm square. Either you can write it as 385 by 4 mm square or 96.25 mm square. Okay, guys, the next problem, they have said an umbrella has 8 ribs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, alright, which are equally spaced, and the radius of the umbrella is the radius of this length of one rib is 45 centimeter, which means the radius is 45 centimeter, and they have asked you to find the space between two consecutive ribs. Basically you have to find this area, which means you have to find area of a sector. Now there are 8 ribs, there are 8 sectors, equally spaced sectors. So what will be the angle of each sector? 360 by 8, or 8 ones are 8 fours are 32, 40, 45 degree. So the angle is 45 degree. We know the radius. We just have to use the formula. So theta by 360 into pi r square. So 45 by 360 into 22 by 7 into r square, 45 into 45. So 5 nines are 5 7 and 72s are 9 ones are 8s are. Anything else will it go? No. Okay. 2 fours are 11s are. So we get 45 into 45 into 11 by 7 into 4. So 45 into 45, that is 5 2 20 to 20, then 4 5s are 20, 4 4s are 16, 18. So we get 5 2 2025 into 11. So again 2025. So 5 7 2 2 2. So we get 22275 by 7 fours are 28. This is the area, centimeter square. If you want to do it in, find it in decimals, we have to divide it, which is a very big headache, guys. Generally, I am telling you, for CBSE people, you will not get problems like this. Generally, the reason I was teaching you to take common is, you will get such values that most of the things will be cancelable and you will get a nice beautiful figure. It's only in the NCERT textbook that these kind of problems are there. But generally for your exams, what happens is, if you take things common, you will get a perfect answer. Okay, by 28. Now 28 into 5 is 8 5s are 40, 10 140, which is less than this. So 28 into 7, 8 7s are 56, 14 196. Then 196, no, next will be more. So 7s are 196. So this will become 12, 12 minus 6, 6. This will become 21, 20 minus 26. So 267 will come down. So 28 into 9, will it be less than 267? Yes. So 28 into 8. So 8 8s are 64, 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 6, 22. So 8s are 224, 7 minus 4, 3, 6 minus 2, 43. Oh, which means we could have gone 9s are as well. So 28 into 9, 9 8s are 72, 9 2s are 18 plus 252. So 9s are 252. So 7 minus 2, 5, 6 minus 5, 1. And what comes down? 55, 155. 7s are was 196, so not 6s are, 5s are. So 28 into 5, we already done 140. So 5s are 140, 5, 1. Again, we get 150. So again 5s are 140, we get 10, 100, which means 3s are, it will go 3s are. So what is the answer? In decimals, 7895.53 centimeter square. Alright guys, now the next question, they have said there are two window wipers of length 25 which sweep an angle 115. They don't overlap, so it will look something like this when you are in the front seat. Alright, now we have to find the total area which has been swept by these two. So area of this plus area of this. Since this is also the same thing, 115 and 25, area of this plus area of this can be written as 2 times area of only one. So 2 times area of this, which is a sector, right? So theta by 360 into pi r square. So 2 times theta is 115 by 360 into 22 by 7 into r square, that is 25 into 25. 5 2s are 10, 3s are 15, 7s are 2s are 23. Does it go 72? 23 4s are is no. Okay, it does not. Let's see what else goes. Okay, 2 36 are, 11s are, anything else? Will it go with anything else? No. So this is all about calculation. So 25 into 25, 625 into 11, 625, that is 5 7 8 6. Now 6875 into 23, right? And okay, here we can cancel 2 ones are 18s are, all right? That is the best we can do. Okay, into 23, 6 5s are 15, 21 plus 1 22, 3 8s are 24 plus 2 26, 3 8 6 are 18 plus 2 20, and here 2 1 14 15 1 16 17 1 12 13. So we get 2 5 1 1 8 5 1. So we get 158125 by 18 into 7. 18 into 7. Very small calculation. So 8 sevens are 56. 7 plus 5 12. So 126. So the area swept by both wipers together is 158125 by 126 centimeter square. Guys, the next problem, they have said there is a lighthouse on the sea which is spreading light to warn ships from rocks and stuff over a distance of 16.5 kilometer. So a lighthouse does not take a full circle, it just makes an arc, right? So it will look, the arc, the area where the light falls will look something like this. So the radius becomes 16.5 and the angle they have said through which it moves is 80 degree. So all we have to do is find area of a sector. So theta by 360 into pi r square. So theta is 80, 80 by 360 into pi, that is 22 by 7 into r square, that is 16.5 into 16.5. 0 0, 2 4s are, 2 18s are, 2 2s are, 9s are. Will 9 go with this? 6 7 75? No, it will not go. So major calculations coming up. Alright. So 2 into 22. 44 into 16.5 into 16.5 will get 5 2 6 5s are 30 32 5 plus 3 8, then 6 5s are 30, 6 6 are 36 plus 3 9 39, 6 9 and 165. So 2 5, 9 plus 5 14, 14 plus 8 22, 15 17, 272, it was 16.5. So we get 272.25 by 7 9s are 63. Okay, now we have to do 44 into this. So 272.25 into 44. 5 4s are 20, 4 2s are 8 plus 2 10, 4 2s are 8 9, 4 7s are 28, 4 2s are 8 plus 2 10. So since again I am dividing by 4, I don't have to sit and calculate. Same thing I have to write 108900. Right? So 0 0 9, 9 plus 8, 8 plus 9 17, 1 plus 8 9 11. And it was, so I get 11979 by 63. So now I have to divide 11979 by 63. 63 ones are 63, 9 minus 3 6, 11 minus 6 56, 7 comes down. Now 63 into 5 will be how much? 30, 315. This is much more. So 63 into okay, 63 into 9, I think it will be 567. 9 6 are 54 plus 256. So 9s are 567. What comes down is 9. So 0.9163, 10 minus 3 7, 8 minus 6 2. 270 I'll get. I hope you guys can see it. 63 into how much? 63 126 250 something. So 4s are, we will get something. I'll just do it up to 2 decimal points. So 190.14 kilometer square. Don't forget to write kilometer square. Alright guys, now the next question, they have told table cover has 6 designs, equal designs, and the radius we get is 28 centimeters from the question, and they have asked us to find the cost of making these 6 designs at the rate of 0.35 per centimeter square. Now what happens is, if we do this, we are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equal sectors, which means what will be the angle of one sector? 360 by 6, which is nothing but 60 degree. Now we got angle of sector, we know the radius, we can find area of the sector, which means we can find area of this segment, right? That is what we need to find. So area of segment equal to area of sector minus area of circle. Okay guys, now one more thing I want for you to notice. Till now I was finding height and base, right? See here, this side is equal to this side and the angle between them is 60 degree. If this side is equal to this side, this angle also will be equal to this angle, which means these two angles will also be 60 degrees. Why? Because this is already 60. How much is remaining? Out of 180, 120 is remaining, which is equally divided. So 60 and 60. All three angles are 60 degree, which means it's an equilateral triangle, which means this will also be 28 centimeters. So from now onwards, remember, in a sector, if you get angle 60 degree and two sides are equal, it means it will be a equilateral triangle. I didn't tell you before because it is best for you to understand how to find base and height. But from now onwards, in case of 60 degree angle, remember the triangle becomes an equilateral triangle. And there is a special formula for area of equilateral triangle, which is root 3 by 4 a square, where a is the side of a equilateral triangle. Understood? So now onwards, we don't have to do half into base into height. We can directly use this formula. Alright. So now area of sector is theta by 360 into pi r square minus area of circle, which is triangle, which is root 3 by 4 a square. So theta we know is 60 by 360 into pi, I'll take it as 22 by 7 into r square, that is 28 into 28 minus root 3 by 4 into a square, that is 28 into 28. Alright, 1 6 ones are 6 are 2 3s are 11s are 7 ones are 4s are. Anything else we can do? No. So 11 into 4 44, 44 into 28, that is 4 8s are 32, 4 8s are 32 plus 3 35, 8 8. So 2 5 plus 8 13, 8 plus 4 12. So we get 1 2 3 2, right? 1 2 3 2 by 3 minus root 3, 4 ones are 4, 7s are 28. So 7 into 28 is 8 7s are 56 and 7 2s are 14 plus 5 19, and they have asked us to take root 3 as 1.7. So we'll multiply by 1.7, 7 6 are 42. 9 7s are 63 plus 4 67, 7 plus 6 13 and 196. So 2 3 1 10 13 3. So 333.2. So here we get 333.2 and 1 2 3 2 by 3 will be 3 1s are 4s are 1s are 0 .20 means 6 are 6 6. So 6 6 minus 333.2. So minus 333.2 0 6 4.10 minus 3 7 10 minus 3 7 3 minus 77.46 centimeter square. That is the area of just one, and we need to find area of 6. So 77.46 into 6, right? 6 6 are 36, 6 4s are 24, 27, 6 7s are 42 plus 2, 44, 7 6 are 42 plus 4, 46. So the total area of 6 segments is 464.76. Now they have said the cost per centimeter square is 0.35. How much will it be for this? So it will be 464.76 into 0.35. So 4647635, 6 5s are 30, 35, 38, 5 4s are 20, 23, 6, 30, 32, 20, 23. And when I multiply by 3, 3 6 are 18, 21, 22, 12 plus 2, 14, 3 6 are 18 plus 1, 19, and 12 plus 3, 13. So I get 0, 6, 1, 5, 6, 6, 2, 1, 5, 6, 1. So 1, 2. So the answer is 162.666 rupees. So rupees 162.666. Alright guys, now the last question, they have said area of the sector making an angle P with radius R, which one of them it will be? Now the area of a sector is theta by 360 into pi r square. In this case, instead of theta, they have given us that angle we are noting it as P. Is this of this form? No, because if I remove 2 here and here I'll get 90, but still it is not of this form, right? Similarly, here it is pi r square, but here it is 180, but it should be 360. Similarly, here if I remove this 2, I make it 180, which is nowhere close to the first one. Whereas in the last one, if I remove this 2, this 720 become 2 ones are 360s are. So it is of the form theta by 360 into pi r square. So the answer is D. Now guys, especially CBSE students, please remember, you might have seen a lot of problems in this where you have to take decimals and you have to do a lot of calculations. Generally, I don't know about this year, but generally I have seen the problems that you will get in exams are not going to be, you might get few problems like this, but most problems from mensuration like areas related to circles and volume and surface area will be problems where you can take things common and will get really beautiful answers, because most of the things will cancel. You will not have to do much of decimal calculation.